learn Konkani, then you won't get a better video than this. In a very less time, I will teach you how to speak in Konkani. Do watch this video till the end and keep following my channel and practice Konkani with my help. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. In this video, I have put short phrases that we can use in our daily life. And these phrases will help you to speak in Konkani language. So practice Konkani speaking with your friends and family if they know Konkani. And keep watching my channel. Let's begin with today's video. All of us. Ami sagli. Ami means us. Sagli means everyone. All of them. Ti sagli. Sagli means all. Ti means them. All means sagli. And I. Ani how. And means ani. How means I. And her. Ani te. And him. Ani to. If it is a lady, we say ani ti. We use the word ti. And us. Ani ami. Are you coming today to I's Eta? I's means today. Eta means coming. Are you going today to I's Waita? Going means Waita. Are you coming this week to या आठवड्यांत येता? Week means आठवडो. Are you free today to I's free असा? Today means I's. Are you free tonight to I's रातचो free असा? If you're asking a boy, you must say to I's रातचो free असा. And if you're asking a girl, you must say to I's रातचे free असा. If you're asking a lady, you must say to I's रातची free असा. Are you going to help her? तू ताची मदत करूंक वयता? Are you hungry? तुका भूक लागल्या? Bhuk means hunger. Are you thirsty? तुका तान लागल्या? Are you alone? तू एकटोच असा? If you are asking a boy, you must say तू एकटोच असा. If you are asking a girl, you must say तू एकटेच असा. If you are asking a lady, you must say तू एकटीच असा. Are you at home? तू घराकडेन असा? Are you married? तू काजारी? Are you okay? तू सारको असा? Are you ready? तू तयार असा? Ready means तयार. Are you scared? तुका भिरांत दिसता? Scared means भिरांत. Are you sleepy? तुका न्हीद येयल्या? Are you waiting for someone? तू कोणाची वाट पळयता? Waiting means वाट पळयता. As soon as possible. जाता तितले बेगीन. Ask me first. म्हाका पयलीं विचार. Ask them. तेंका विचार. Ask her. तेका विचार. If you are talking about a lady, then you must say tika vichar. Ask her also. Tikai vichar. Do this. Hai kar. Do that. Te kar. Say no. Na man. Say yes. Hoy man. Once more. Anek fauti. Again. Parat. It's morning. सकाळ झाली. It's evening. सांज झाली. Look again. परत पळय. Think again. परत चिंत. Read again. परत वाच. Tear it. Pins ते. Spit it out. थूक ते. Burst it. फोड ते. Take two. दोन घे. Take another. आणि एक घे. Give me. म्हाका दी. Fix that. सारखे करते. Me too. म्हाकाय बी. Walk properly. सारखे चल. Keep eating. खायत राव. Chew well. सारखे चाब. If you want more videos like this, please share your comment. And if you have any topic that you want me to cover, then that also you can comment and I will share it with you. Stand up. Ube rao. If you are telling a girl, you must say ube rao. If you are telling a boy, you must say ubo rao. If you are telling a lady, you must say ubi rao. You sit. To bus. Remain seated. Basun rao. Keep standing. If you're telling a boy, you must say ubots rao. If you're telling a girl, you must say ubets rao. If you're telling a lady, you must say ubits rao. Stay away, pais rao. Stay in, bhitar rao. Stay out, bhair rao. Stay there, thai rao. Stay here, hanga rao. Put down, sakal davar. Pick up, ubar. Put on, ghal. Take off, card. Wear this, hai ghal. Remove this, hai card. Don't interrupt, madi ulai naka. Don't go, what's naka. Don't ask, vichar naka. Don't sleep, nid naka. Don't panic, binaka. Don't scare, vivoi naka. Don't talk, ulai naka. Don't cook, ran naka. Don't overcook, chad rad naka. You overthink to chad chitta. So guys, use these short phrases and sentences in your daily life and keep practicing Konkani. Thank you.